Have you ever stood up from your chair and felt your legs trembling or weak? Or maybe climbing stairs feels harder than it used to, like your muscles just won't cooperate? Don't worry. You're not alone. Weak legs are one of the most common frustrations after 60, but here's the good news. The right foods can actually restore leg strength, support nerve function, and rebuild muscle power naturally. Today we'll rank 10 powerful foods from least to most effective, backed by real science from US studies. And make sure to stay until the end, because I'll share 2 bonus tips that can make a huge difference in preventing leg cramps and keeping your energy steady all day. Before we start, if you want more science-based tips for healthy aging, hit that subscribe button and join our growing community of seniors reclaiming their strength and energy. Number 10, Greek yogurt. It might be at the bottom of our list, but it's still a solid foundation for strong legs. Greek yogurt is packed with protein, about twice as much as regular yogurt, and calcium, which work together to build muscle and keep bones strong. It also contains vitamin D, which helps your body absorb calcium and supports muscle function, making it easier to move and maintain balance. It's rich in high-quality protein and calcium, which help repair and maintain muscle tissue. A study from the University of Connecticut in 2022 found that older adults who included a protein-rich dairy snack like Greek yogurt had better muscle recovery and less soreness after light exercise. It also contains probiotics that improve gut absorption of nutrients, so your muscles get more of the protein you eat. Number 9, broccoli. This green powerhouse supports your cells from the inside. It's full of vitamin C, vitamin K, and sulforaphane, which help protect muscles from oxidative damage. Broccoli is rich in vitamin C and vitamin K, which help reduce inflammation in muscles and support recovery after activity. It also contains calcium for bone health and fiber that aids digestion, helping your body better absorb the nutrients needed for strong muscles. According to research from Tufts University's Human Nutrition Center, older adults with higher antioxidant intake from cruciferous vegetables like broccoli showed better leg strength and mobility. It's not just about protein. It's about keeping your cells healthy enough to use that protein. Number 8, citrus fruits like oranges, grapefruits, and lemons. They're not just for vitamin C. They help improve blood flow, which is essential for delivering oxygen and nutrients to your leg muscles. Citrus fruits like oranges and grapefruits are loaded with vitamin C, which helps your body produce collagen, a protein that keeps muscles, tendons, and ligaments healthy and flexible. Vitamin C also fights inflammation and helps muscles recover from daily wear and tear. In a 2023 study from the University of Florida, researchers found that seniors who consumed more citrus flavonoids had improved leg circulation and lower inflammation markers. Better circulation means more strength, faster recovery, and less fatigue after walking. Number 7, sweet potatoes. If your legs often feel heavy or tired, your muscles might be craving glycogen, your body's main energy reserve. Sweet potatoes are perfect for this, packed with complex carbs, potassium, and magnesium. Sweet potatoes provide complex carbohydrates for lasting energy, plus potassium, which prevents muscle cramps and supports proper muscle contractions. They're also rich in vitamin A and vitamin C, which help reduce muscle inflammation and support tissue repair. A study from Harvard School of Public Health highlighted that potassium-rich foods like sweet potatoes help maintain muscle function and reduce the risk of leg cramps. They're slow digesting, so your energy lasts longer through the day. Number 6, nuts and seeds. Almonds, walnuts, chia seeds, and flax seeds are loaded with magnesium, vitamin E, and omega-3 fats that nourish your nerves and muscles. Magnesium, in particular, helps your nerves send signals properly to your leg muscles. Without enough of it, you might feel twitching, cramps, or weakness. Nuts and seeds offer healthy fats, protein, and magnesium, a mineral that helps muscles relax and contract properly, preventing cramps and stiffness. They also contain vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects muscle cells from damage and supports recovery. The National Institutes of Health recently noted that seniors with higher magnesium intake showed fewer nighttime leg cramps and better walking balance. By the way, stay with me until the end because I'll share 2 bonus tips that can make your legs feel more energetic in just a few days. And if you're finding this helpful so far, tap Save on this video so you can come back anytime when planning your meals. Number 5, bananas. You probably guessed this one. Bananas are one of the best natural sources of potassium and vitamin B6, both crucial for healthy muscle contraction and nerve communication. Bananas are excellent sources of potassium, which regulates fluid balance in muscle cells and prevents cramping during and after activity. They also provide quick energy through natural sugars and contain vitamin B6, which helps your body use protein to build and repair muscle tissue. Researchers from Penn State University found that even a single banana before light exercise improves endurance and muscle recovery in older adults. And if you ever wake up with leg cramps at night, try half a banana before bed. It can really help. Number 4, spinach and leafy greens. Spinach, kale, and Swiss chard are your leg muscles' best friends. They're packed with iron, magnesium, folate, and nitrates, nutrients that boost oxygen delivery to your muscles. Spinach contains iron, which carries oxygen to your muscles so they can work efficiently without tiring quickly. It's also rich in magnesium for muscle relaxation, calcium for muscle contractions, and nitrates that may improve muscle strength and endurance. A University of Texas study in 2021 found that older adults who ate nitrate-rich greens daily showed up to 11% better leg muscle strength compared to those who didn't. A serving of sautéed spinach or a green smoothie can go a long way. Number 3, fatty fish. Salmon, sardines, and mackerel come in at number 3. Their omega-3 fatty acids reduce inflammation in the muscles and joints, a major reason for leg weakness or soreness. Fatty fish like salmon and mackerel provide high-quality protein plus omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce muscle inflammation and soreness. They're also one of the best sources of vitamin D, essential for muscle function, strength, and preventing muscle weakness as you age. The American Geriatric Society recently reported that seniors who consumed fatty fish twice weekly had better muscle mass retention and fewer walking difficulties. Omega-3s also improve blood flow, helping nutrients reach your leg muscles faster. Number 2, eggs. Eggs are a near-perfect muscle food, providing all 9 essential amino acids plus vitamin D and B12, which support nerve and muscle coordination. Eggs contain complete protein with all the amino acids your muscles need, plus vitamin D for muscle function, and B vitamins that help convert food into energy for muscle activity. The yolks also have choline, a nutrient that supports the nerve signals telling your muscles when to move. In a Mayo Clinic study in 2022, seniors who included at least one egg daily had greater leg muscle density and fewer symptoms of fatigue. So don't skip that morning egg. It's more powerful than you think. Number 1, lean protein. At the top of our list are lean proteins like chicken breast, turkey, tofu, and lentils. Your leg muscles are made of protein, and as we age, our ability to rebuild them slows down. Proteins are made up of building blocks called amino acids, which are like the raw materials your body uses to repair and build muscle tissue. When you eat protein, your body breaks it down into these amino acids and uses them to fix any wear and tear in your muscles and keep them strong. Without enough protein, your muscles can't properly repair themselves after daily activities like walking, climbing stairs, or standing up from a chair, which can lead to gradual muscle weakness over time. Think of protein as the construction material your body needs to keep your muscles in good working condition. A UCLA study showed that adults over 60 who increased lean protein intake to 1.2 grams per kilogram of body weight per day gained up to 20% more lower body strength within 12 weeks. This is the single most important change you can make if your legs feel weak or unstable. And as promised, here are your 2 quick bonus tips. First, stay hydrated. Dehydration is a hidden cause of leg cramps and fatigue. Aim for at least 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. Second, include whole grains like brown rice or oatmeal for steady energy. They feed your muscles slowly, so your legs don't tire out halfway through the day. So, which of these foods will you add to your meals this week? Tell me in the comments. I love reading how you're rebuilding your strength. If this video helped you, hit the subscribe button, share it with a friend who needs stronger legs, and save it so you can come back anytime. You've got this. Every meal you eat can bring back your energy and confidence, one step at a time.